have made a huge mess. And not even like the good kind of mess because we're like knee deep in a quilt. No, it's just a mess. Okay, it's been a little bit, so I just wanted to touch base with you. I have gotten nowhere with Postmark. I have not had any time to sew lately, which is sad. And I don't really like it. But here's where we are. So I wanted just to give like another quick refresh about our tutorial. Where even is the pattern? It was exactly where I thought it was. I just couldn't reach it. Okay, but the reminder about our tutorial for this aerial view pattern. This is a free pattern by Riley Blake. I have put the link below if you're still needing it. This is going to be a come everyone and let's sew together. This is a confident beginner level, so I feel like every skill level could join us. I'm looking forward to this one because this hypothetically should be like a quick sew for maybe those of us who are a little bit more experienced in their quilting, and I'm looking forward to that. I do have fabric kits. If you are interested, we have the Mary Catherine bundle, which is super cute and honestly our most popular bundle so far. I am getting a bolt of a background fabric if you would like a solid background. If you don't want a solid background, there's definitely enough in this bundle to do a scrappy background, which is what I'm going to be doing. So I'm really excited about that. And then second we have is the Olive Grove, and that is the second most popular. This Olive Grove does not have enough low volume to do a scrappy background, so I will be purchasing a solid background. If you want it, great. If not, then you can bring your own. And then our third option is this Charming Christmas. Doesn't seem like we have a lot of interest in this one so far, so I'm not 100% sure if it's going to happen. But maybe that's a good thing because then we can save Christmas quilt for next month, right? So that'll be pretty exciting. We are in pre-order for these fabric kits right now, meaning I'm just trying to get like a head count and see how many want to participate before I order. So we're going to give it through this next week and then I will place an order. So if you're wanting to get fabric maybe after the fact, I'll probably have a couple of extra, but just let me know and we can work something out. This is like a perfect depiction of my brain right now. Like too many things going on. I did my taxes, which you're like, congrats, Kate. I did my business taxes, but look what I found, and all of my important documents are map. Who remembers the map? It's been a minute since this bad boy has come out. But I said forever and a day ago that if we can fill this up before the end of the year, then we'll do a quick little giveaway. And we're pretty dang close. So take a look at these states. Let's get some of these states in here. I'm really excited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 states left. I'm not including Hawaii and Alaska because that's brutal. But, I mean, if we get them, that would just be gravy. So, if you know anyone in any of these states, then let's get this map filled so that we can have a fun giveaway just for the heck of it, because why not? Next thing is the Mystery Stitches quilt tops. We need to decide when we're going to auction these bad boys off. Now, personally, I don't want to do it in December because I feel like there's already a million things going on in December. So I feel like we either need to do it next month in November or we need to wait until January. What are our thoughts on that? So how we're going to run this one is a silent auction. So I'm thinking that we will make a video specifically for these quilt tops, and then you will just leave your name and your bid in the comments, and then I will cut off the comments at a certain point. Does that make sense? I think that might be easiest. My first thought was to do it live, but I know that live is really hard for a lot of people, so I wanted to make sure everyone had a chance. Here's this one. I'll show you the bottom, huh? And remember, Tracy was the one that put these all together, and I am so happy with how they turned out. She did such a good job. I promise I'll fold that up nicely after this. So that was our first one. And our next one. And so for those of you that are new here, Mystery Stitches is a game that I like to play where you pretty much buy a mystery fabric bundle and then you make whatever block. And then this is all of them put together. So everyone, well, not everyone, but pretty much everyone mailed their block back, and we were able to make cute quilt tops from all of them. And I love that there's a little bit of everyone in these quilt tops. So what do we think about November or January? They're just so dang cute. And they need a home. It's time. It really is. So let me know what you think about that. There was something else. I really should have made a list. So let's talk about the elephant in the room. My mother-in-law is wanting to sell her old embroidery machine, and then she has an AccuQuilt. So she brought them to me so that I could kind of help her maybe locally sell these items. And I thought, oh gosh, well, totally, I'll help you. But I thought, well, can I play with them first? You all are going to laugh at this. This is pretty funny. And I was so excited because I'm like, I am going to pull out this embroidery machine. I'm going to play with it. I'm going to see what it does. I only have white thread. Embroidery really doesn't work as well when you only have one color. So I just like, it took me a solid day to realize that. And that was really sad. So it was just kind of funny. But if you're local to Idaho, and you're interested, it's a Flourish 2 embroidery machine. It's by Baby Lock. And then there's a table with the attachment and everything, but that's the machine for it. But I kid you not, it took me too long to realize, like, hey, you're going to have to go buy thread. So I'm sure there are single color designs that I could find on here, but it really burst my bubble that day. So anyways, I really do think that was it. I just wanted to touch base with you guys about our free workshop. I just did not want it to keep flying under the radar. And then our 3 options, boom, boom, boom. If you're interested, I do have fabric. Let's finish filling this map because I knew where it was the whole time. It was you that lost it. You forgot about it, not me. We can fill this map and we can pick a date for our silent auction. So that way everyone can participate. And that's really all I have for you. Well, I really miss sewing. Okay. I'm trying really hard this weekend to squeeze out some time. So hopefully we can sew together either this weekend or the beginning of next week. Because there they just sit. And they're so cute. And I don't like that they're just sitting there. So fingers crossed for me that I can carve out some time this week to sew. And maybe find like a cute, quick free pattern that we can make together. Just fingers crossed, my friends. That's all I'm asking. Okay, until next time, I will see you. And hopefully you won't see any of this. Bye, friends.